we landed! Jessica is so excited. She'll figure out a little bit, right? Guys, I'm on my way to New York City, so stay tuned. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the luggage situation. So I'll see you in 4 hours. Guys, I just passed by security and then the guy was like laughing at me for some reason. Because he asked me like what am I doing at New York City and where I'm going, right? So I looked at him and I'm like, to eat. And then he said like, to what? And then I said, to eat. The thing that dead me the most is that he's like, what is there to eat? And I was like, fast food? He's like what? I'm like, Chipotle, Raisin Cane. Chick-fil-A. He thinks you're retarded. He's like, eating alone? I'm like, no, I have a friend. Let's go, we're boarding. Alright, just walk. Just walk. Guys, we landed! Now we're gonna go Flushing. Eat some local Chinese food. Because in Montreal there's no good Chinese food. And oh my god, our ride earlier, the turbulence were amazingly insane.
I thought like we were gonna die.
Yeah, and then I felt so nauseous, but now I'm feeling better. I have no idea where we're going, but Jessica is bringing me to go eat food. Oh my god. Is this? We're looking for Molly's tea. We've been dreaming about Molly's tea for so long. I found out how to Molly's tea. This is our first stop. Can you believe? Jessica is so excited right now for her Molly's tea. And then I don't know. We're gonna get 2 drinks. Oh my god! This is the restaurant that we wanted to go eat. It's New York Times best 100. Wow. Wow. This shit looks so. Guys, I don't know if you guys know about bao shifu, bao pastry. Oh my god, I keep seeing on Chinese TikTok like mukbang people, and then I just came across it in Flushing, so we're gonna go. This one, I think it just opened up. Okay, let's try this, should we?
Oh my god, Taro snow puff cake.
Do they have?
Non. Oh mon dieu, qu'il y a beaucoup de gens derrière.
Hello. We came back to the hotel and then passed the fuck out. Whoops, I shouldn't swear on these vlogs. No, it's like almost 11 o'clock. Now we're gonna head out to. We're gonna go to MLG body paysage. Yeah, so on va faire ça. See the Empire State Building or something. Guys, we're getting ready to head out now. It's currently 11:31. Vlog what we're doing right now. We're gonna go get Jollibee?
Okay. Jollibee or
Popeyes. Times Square closes so early. We're like barely 1. I thought New York is the city that never sleeps. Look the hammer. Holy. Like a vlog looks that very pretty. Guys, today is January 23. It is Jessica's birthday. We're gonna go get her a cake before she wakes up. So, bro, I'm so bad with maps, but okay, let's do this. Oh my god, it's not cold today. New York City. I made it to this song. Oh my god, the cake that I want don't have it. Did I? Hi, can I get the mango rice cake? That's, look at this. It's very nice. Alright, hopefully she's still asleep. Guys, it's so peaceful walking down here in the morning. The plan today is probably like wander around, eat breakfast, and celebrate Jessica's birthday. We're going to a club later with some friends that we have here. I'm gonna stop by our Whole Foods to buy some water. Guys, I found this coconut cold that everyone has been seeing everywhere on TikTok. I haven't had the chance to try it, but they have a small version, so I'm gonna try that. In the hotel, so let's see if Jess is awake. Okay, I'm gonna go back to sleep because it's still early and she's not awake yet, so I'm gonna do that later. This up. Why are you crying? Making me cry. It's making me cry. Why are you crying? It's cute. Oh no. Yay. Happy birthday, Jessica. Happy birthday, Jessica. This year is extra special because we are not in our usual habitat. Exactly. We are in somewhere that we want to be. Okay, 许愿。许愿，许愿。Yay! Wow! Remind me of you and me. What? We're gonna go get breakfast now. I think we have the metro figured out a little bit, right? Yeah, just a little bit. Where are we right now? We are in which neighborhood? I don't know.
Oh, it's so
we are Leon's Bagel.
Whoa.
Don't even understand how excited I am for this bagel shop. Because I know Montreal Bagel is better, but like last time I came here twice trying to make it, but then we always came too late and they were closed. So then this is one of the main stop for me. I got the scallion cream cheese, bacon, egg, and cheese. So let's try it out. If it's not good, I'm gonna be sad. Whee! Got the goods, guys. And, oh my god, it smells so good. What? 好开心啊我！ you guys excited to see me eat Leon's mango?
We're not. I am.
Moi, je suis excitée. Where's the cheese pool? Is it because it's cold? Yes. Cheers. Wait, let me take a better bite. I don't like the bread, but and I would have expected the scallions to be more dominant on the cream cheese, but I don't really taste it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit disappointed. Oh, that's so good. Fifth sip. Guys, this sweater is so pretty. How's the green? Okay, no, it's color green. It's too green. We clock it. Okay, we're gonna go with the black. Hi guys, update. We came back at the hotel yesterday night at like 4. I didn't bring my camera to go vlog, but I have some footage on my phone that I will insert so that you guys can see. Like in New York City, there's like a windstorm, or like snowstorm, like a very massive one. So like our flight got cancelled for tomorrow, so we're staying one extra day here. And I was scrolling TikTok, and oh my god, this thing looks so insane.
Is to send out the alarm. Alert all New Yorkers that we are heading into a very, very dangerous weather event. That is
In the club, we met so many influencers like from New York for some reason. Like, they were all at the same club as we were, and I saw Erica Ha. Like, oh my god, she looks so pretty in person. Hello, Cha. Guys, I came for this specific bun that I tried last time, but I don't see it. Oh, I was thinking about the terrible one. There's no way. Hi. I was wondering, last time I came, you guys...
Terrible. Before seasons.
Oh, you guys changed your menu,
Yeah.
right? So good. Black sesame milk squirrel bun. Look at everything in here. So happy right now. Even though they didn't have the one that I wanted, I can still try so much more. Trader Joe. Jojo. This is pineapple and this is mangoes, guys. We try this. We're going back to the hotel now. We're in the metro. So cold. Actually, it's very slippery and windy right now. We're heading towards Central Park so we can take nice pics. Central Park. It's so windy. We are in Central Park. Hi vlog. We came back to the hotel. We rotted a bit because it was actually low-key too cold to do anything today. And then now we're on our way to go to this restaurant and have dinner. It's like 11:30. We're gonna try to take some sleigh pics. And look, this building is so pretty. There is so much snow. It's comparable to Montreal. Imagine seeing that in a high-rise. Hi guys, so the one we want is closed, so now we're here. Izakaya. It's nice. I guess so.
That was for the fries.
See you. I'm gonna go sleep. Today is our last night in this hotel. I'm so excited to go back home. What the heck? Can't tell if it did anything. There's no way people do that every night. It's so uncomfortable. The fuck?
Yeah, it's whole 甜. It's 太甜了. But I like that it's very nutty. Like maybe because we're not mixing it. 我的比你还要甜. Yeah, 你好甜的. Going to Whole Foods to get some food, and then we're heading towards the airport. Yeah, Whole Foods. This is our last meal of this trip. Here.
We're here at the airport. Looks so sad. But we're going home. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy my burger. So, bye.